Check out how to easily make an interactive, live quiz with FlexiQuiz. With a live quiz, you can present it in person or remotely. As you share each question, players respond on their own devices. So, let's show you how to make a live quiz for free. From your main dashboard, press Create Quiz and select the Live Quiz option. You now need to enter a name and press Create Quiz. Okay, so this is the Create screen where you can add and format your content using question and information slides. Let's start by adding a question. Click the Add Question button. Now, choose what type of question you want to ask. You can choose from 6 question types, including multiple choice, picture choice, single choice, fill in the blanks, matching and free format. I will show you how to add the single choice question type to your quiz. The question text is added to this box. Next, add the possible answer options in these boxes. To ensure the system can automatically mark the quiz, you must add a tick next to the correct answer. You can also add an image to the question. To do this, press Select Image. From here, you can search for a great image from our Unsplash library. Or if you have a paid plan, you can upload your own. Once you have found the best image, press Add. And the picture is added to the question. Next, set how much time you want to allow players to answer the question. The FlexiQuiz system is set to give players 20 seconds to respond. By clicking on the drop-down menu, you can customize the timings. Now, you can also choose how many points to award players for the right answer. In this example, I will award players 10 points. To add the question to the quiz, press Save. You can edit the questions anytime by hovering over the question on the top right and clicking on the edit icon. To add more questions to your quiz, simply follow the previous steps. If you have a paid plan, there is no limit to the number of questions you add to a quiz. Now to add an information slide where players cannot earn any points, choose the Add Slide option. You can add your text in this box. Once you have added all your slides, you may want to change their position. You can click on the right-hand corner to drag and drop the question where you want it to go. To customize how the quiz works, select the Configure tab. From here, you can customize what players view on their screens, like showing a grade and their position. You can also add custom certificates that are awarded based on grades. In fact, you can do this and much more from the Configure screen. Once your quiz is set up, you can play the quiz demo to check how it looks and works. When you want to play your quiz, click Play Live Quiz. And your host's lounge opens. You are now ready to invite players to your quiz game. Are you ready to make your first live quiz? Go to FlexiQuiz.com and you can start straight away.